Now it's time to download the Apex Pro app. The Apex Pro ecosystem is comprised of your Apex Pro unit, which is data logging hardware. This has sensitive accelerometers and a GPS chip and antenna to tell you where you are on track and what you're doing with your driving. That's all contained in this unit. The unit connects to your device, whether it's an iPhone or an iPad. Apex Pro is primarily focused on our iOS or Apple application. At the time of recording, the Apex Pro app requires iOS 14 in order to download and use the Apex Pro app. If you're running an older Apple operating system like iOS 12 or 13, you may need to update to iOS 14 or potentially upgrade your Apple device to run a new enough device to use that operating system. To download the Apex Pro app, visit the App Store from the home screen of your Apple device. From there, search Apex Pro in the search bar. This will pull up our app first. You'll see our logo, and that's what you want to download. If you just search Apex, that's going to take you to a lot of other apps. Make sure to type the whole name, Apex Pro. Once that appears, download the app, and then you'll start to go through the process that we'll share with you in the next few chapters. We update the app constantly to make sure that you have features that help you become a better driver and that are easy to use and learn from. To check for updates, each time you use the Apex Pro app, you can simply follow this process again. Search Apex Pro in the App Store, and you'll see if there's an update available. You can also read about the updates and all the features that we've added in this section where you can see more information about the Apex Pro app. You can also dive in and read reviews, look at past updates, and see all sorts of information about the Apex Pro app here in this area on the App Store.